Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these high fidelity music ear plugs that I'm going to give a try to, and these are supposed to be good for me to use when I go to concerts and things like that. As I'm getting older, sometimes the music I like is ridiculously loud, but so I want to have some earplugs where I can kind of still hear things through it. So I got this, so we're going to see how these are here, and we will give these things a shot. Let's see, how do I open this up? So it comes with, these are the little plugs, actually kind of cool looking. You can see it's got the little ring on it, and it's got the little ear plug there. And then it comes with a little case, so when I go to the concert I can have them in here so I don't have to wear them all the time or lose them. How do I open the case? There it is. Oh, there's a set in there as well, so you can see there. So it comes, I guess we got two sets and lots of different plugs, but let's try these out here and see how things sound with it in there. So this is what I look like. Wow, it cuts out all the background sound for the most part, but it's quieter. I'm going to try the bigger ear nubs or whatever these things are called. Do I have the big ones? I think I have the big ones on. I'm going to try the small ones just for sake. So now I have a small one and a big one. Let's see. Oh, the small one fits me better. I guess I have small ear canal. So I'm going to put the small ones on this little thing here, because I could still hear a little bit out from the when I had the big one on there. I could tell. Oh yeah, there we go. So, oops. There we go. So you can barely even see I have them in there, but it's good. I can hear myself. I'm just going to play some music and see what I can do here. Let me see.
Thanks for...
Well, I heard that. Okay, I'm going to say these are awesome. I could hear the music clearly, but I also so I could hear the music pretty clear, but it also cut it down so it wasn't quite so ridiculously loud. So I'm going to say these are really nice. These are going to be my go-to, and I'm going to have them. I'm going to keep them in my car, so I always have them whenever I need them. Let's make sure I have the right size one in here. I forgot which way it was. Was it up or down? There we go. So this one has it's got the big ones. So I'm going to take the big ones out and put in the ones with the small ones. And there we go. Ready for my next event. It's actually kind of small. I could just keep this on my keychain. But these are awesome. Totally thumbs up.